Hi everyone, I'm Sushmita Dasri and I'm excited to show you Workflow. It's a full stack project management tool built for businesses. What makes it special is that's a multi-tenant, meaning many different companies can use the same app, but the data is completely locked away from each other in their own private spaces. Every tenant can manage their own users, create projects, track tasks, and control access using roles. Let's see the overall architecture. This project uses a shared database with a shared schema, multi-tenant architecture. That means all tenants use the same database, all tenants use the same tables, and the data is separated using a tenant ID. The approach is cost effective, easy to maintain, and scalable for many tenants. Now coming to the tech stack I used React for frontend, Node.js with the Express for backend, PostgreSQL for database, JWT for authentication, role-based access control for authorization, and Docker and Docker Compose for containerization. The stack is commonly used in real production SaaS application. Now I will show how the applications runs using Docker. I start everything using one single command that Docker Compose up. మధ్యలో రన్ అవుతున్నప్పుడు This command automatically starts PostgreSQL database, backend API server, front-end React application. All services start together, and once everything is ready, the front-end is available at localhost 3000. This makes the setup simple, repeatable, and production ready. Let's see the register new tenant. Here I register a new organization. I enter tenant details, company name, workspace ID, and full name. Let's give the email and password. Let's create the organization. Now I log in using email, password, and tenant subdomain. Here are the details and the subdomain. Let's sign in. After logging, I'm redirected to the tenant dashboard where I can manage everything inside my organization. As a tenant admin, I can manage users. Here I can create a user and assign a role. Like now I create a new project. The project is automatically linked to my tenant. Only users from this tenant can see it. Other tenants cannot access this project. Like project. The project is successfully created. Inside the project, we can add task, add a new task, and assign to a user. Set priority and set due dates. This is the status and save the task. Users can update task status like to do, in progress, and completed. Actions are allowed based on role, so no user can perform unauthorized changes. On the dashboard, we can see total number of projects and tasks, completed tasks, pending tasks, recent projects. All this data belongs only to the logged in tenant. Now I log out and login in as another tenant. Now I log out and I log in as another tenant. Here you can see no users from the previous tenant and no projects from the previous tenant and task. Everything is completely separate. If I try to access another tenant's data manually, the IPA returns 403 error. This clearly proves strong tenant isolation. Now I briefly explain the code structure, controllers, business logic, routes, and middleware for authentication and authorization, and migrations for database schema, and seed initial data. Scripts init DB is for automatic migrations and seeding. This structure is clean and easy to maintain. To conclude, this project demonstrates secure multi-tenant architecture, strong data isolation, role-based access control, Dockerized full-stack setup, production-ready design. Thank you for watching my demo video.